Yeah, so I believe they're gonna dip us now. So I think Allie's gonna get dipped. There we go. Get ready.
No.
See anything out there in the water?
The suspense is killing me.
I don't see anything in the water!
That was so cool.
Probably taking our pictures too. Yep, going in for a second dip.
Really? This far out? We're so far
Yep.
out.
Oh, I'm cold now.